A little sassy this morning. Are you gonna climb that tree, Doga? Wow. We're on the way to the hot springs or hot river. We'll see. Somehow we always seem to wait until Saturday or Sunday, the busiest days of the week, to do these things. So hopefully it's not too crowded. We've also waited till like 11:30 a.m. So it's also going to be a hotter part of the day. But hopefully we enjoy it still. I think we've got about a 30-minute walk and we should be there.
That is hot. Wow, the whole river is like that.
Rio Caliente.
It doesn't really smell sulfury either, like hot springs do. Do you smell sulfur? Or?
No, not at all.
A little bit less hot down here.
Yeah, I put your feet in.
It's not very refreshing when it's 80 degrees out.
At least. But still fine.
Still nice.
If you liked this video, let us know by liking and subscribing. And don't forget, you can see more of the journey on Instagram and TikTok. Cheers, friends!